JEE Mains Rank Predictor for you. So firstly, I'm going to tell you about JEE Mains. JEE Main is the most important engineering entrance exam for admission to BTech and BArch courses in NITs, IIITs and centrally funded technical institutions. Joint Entrance Examination Main is conducted by CBSE in both offline and online mode. JEE Mains is also an eligibility test for JEE Advanced which the candidate has to take for admissions in IITs. From 2017, no weightage for class 12th board marks is taken while calculating JEE 2017 ranks. But the mandatory requirement is that candidate should have either secured at least 75% or be in the top 20 percentile in the 12th class. JEE Mains is of total marks 360. So now coming on to rank prediction according to marks, this is only our estimation and it is for reference purpose only. Now as you can see the tables on your screens, there are two columns, marks obtained and estimated rank. If you achieve 300 and above, then you will be amongst the top 100 rank holders. If you score between 250 to 300, then your rank would be under 500. If you score from 220 to 250, then your rank would be under 4000. If you score between 200 to 220, then your rank would be under 10,000. If you achieve 180 to 200 marks, then your rank would be under 15,000. And if you achieve 160 to 180, then your rank would be under 30,000. So what we conclude from this is that if your marks lie between first three ranges, that is from 360 marks to 220 marks, then there are high chances that you would get a very good college. In fact, from marks 200 to 220 is also good. It is highly recommended that you at least set 200 as your target, guys. Now I have told you that you must achieve this much marks to get this much rank. Now I'm going to tell you the rank prediction. If you are amongst the top all India rankers, then you can get any branch of your choice and you can fetch top NITs and IIITs. If your all India rank is average, then you can get good college, but you may have to compromise either on the choice of the branch or college. Now, if your all India rank is below average, don't panic guys and don't lose hopes guys. Firstly, I would recommend you to do well in the upcoming engineering entrance exams like BITSAT, CommonGate, SRMJEEE and VITI. And secondly, you should also fill up forms for top CFTIs in your state. So this is all for today. We would be coming up with a rank versus college prediction video too after your results. If you have any query, comment below. Don't panic and don't lose hope.
More and better with uglasem.com.
If you do like our video, please give us a thumbs up. Comment if you have any query as I've already said. And please subscribe to our channel. Ring the bell icon to get all the notifications about uglasem.com. We are always with you. All the best.